Are you playing alone?
Yep.
You playing nice?
Yep.
You like playing alone?
No.
Oh. Where's your brother?
Outside.
Oh.
Look.
Wow, what is that?
Watching.
Is that a crane?
Yep. A crane truck.
Oh.
And look at all that.
I see that. What is all of that in there?
Function.
What is that in there? What about there?
Oh. Big mountain.
Big mountain? Oh, okay. What's your name?
Chocolate crane.
What's your favorite?
Function vehicles.
Oh. What is your favorite character?
I don't know what you're talking about.
How old are you?
3.
What's your favorite color?
Blue and orange.
Oh.
All of them.
Is Spider-Man is your favorite?
No.
What's your...
Ruby.
Oh.
And look up.
Do you love Mommy? How much do you love Mommy?
3.
Why 3?
Because I'm 3.
Oh, 'cause you're 3. Ah.
And he could knock it down.
Oh, he's gonna knock it down?
Yeah, all the friends.
How he's gonna do it?
He could knock it down with the friends. Go back. Put down.
I love you.
I will fit.